Hi guys, so I'm back again. Here you see, now I take the plug off. You see the plug off of the CPU. Yeah, and you could, it don't work. You see, I push here. You can see it says cassette. You see cassette, eh? Without the CPU, you have still function on the. You can also set the clock. You see clock like this. Let me say it's 1447. Like this. You can also change here, eh? As you see by ending. So you have the clock is working. Okay? And when you press play, you see it's a cassette. Like this, eh? Yeah. You can also switch it off. Like this. Or you can also turn on. Like this. It just puts this button up here. You can see it's a cassette. Nothing works. See, nothing works without this plug. I'll take the plug off for the CPU. This CPU is defect. You see, eh? So now I'll take the plug off. You see a plug off here, like this. And now I connect the CPU here again. You see, yeah, from the phone. You see, I put this on again here. You see this plug. Now I put the plug on again, and now I switch on here the video. And you see, it's functioned. I turn the lid off. Up here, you see. So this turn on the video machine. You see. I put it down again. You see. So it's controlling the also play here, eh? So switching off and turning off. Like this. But this CPU, yeah, I'll take the video plug off. Like this. And you see this CPU sitting here. Yeah. This CPU in the video is defect. It make click sound, you see, eh? So you put it on hand and I'll put the plug off. You see, plug off. I put inside here. And you have a clock on, you see, clock on. You can also set the clock again, eh? We say 49, eh? Like this. 9, og så siger jeg bare still, you have no connection, you see, without the CPU down here, eh? Yeah. So this CPU down here, this CPU is controlling the cassette deck. So if you met problem with your video machine, you can always change this one. This CPU is a CPU, eh? A big one, a transistor. It's a transistor. Yeah. The CPU is a transistor, you see, eh? Big transistor you have to change in your VCR machine, eh? So that's all. You see, the connection is not on, eh? So now I take the plug out. Like this. I connect again this plug. You see. This. I'll take the. So this was the problem on the video machine. So that's all, guys. See you.